Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to assemble a Rubik's Cube that has been descrambled. Okay, all this should be in the middle of my room. Bye. Now, so it's in the middle of my room. So first you want to take this and then you're wanting to match it. So first start by start in the middle. So that's always the easiest. So for example, I'm gonna do white and green. Here's white and green. So now I'm gonna put it in here like this, like that. Now we need to find white and blue, so here it is. Now we're going to do the same for that. Boom. Now we're going to find blue and yellow. Here it is. Now we're going to put that in. Like that. As you can see, I'm on a different camera angle so that you can see me putting it in. So now you want to put it in like that, and then that. So now what you're wanting to do is go on any of the sides. For example, I'm going to do the white side. So you need to find the color that has the color on top and the color that you're going to do. So for white, it's going to be like this. And then you're going to slide it in. And it's going to be a cross. So let me find white and red. Yellow and orange is what I meant. Sorry. So there. Slide it in. This. That. And now we're gonna do the same for these sides. So yellow and red right here. Yellow and orange right here. Blue and red right here. And red and green right here. Now we just need orange and green. Let me slide it in like that. And now we just need orange and blue, which is right here. So we are going to slide that in like so. Boom. So after you're finished with the cross, it should look like this. Yellow, green, white, blue, red, and orange. So if it looks like that, you're wanting to start on the white side, find the color, find this one with white, green, and red. So for me, it would be right here. Then you're wanting to make the white side face right here. So we put that in right here. Now we're wanting to find the side with red, white, and blue. Kind of like the American flag colors. Red, white, and blue. Gonna put it right in here, like that. So boom. And now on the bottom, you're going to find the color with blue, orange, and white. Then you're gonna put it like that. And now the color, the side with white, orange, and green, you're gonna put like there. Sorry, my side piece fell off. So now it should look like this. Now you're gonna want to flip it over so it should look like this shape. And now take the side with yellow, green, and orange, and then place it right there. Now find the side with yellow, blue, and red, and then put it right here. It might take you a while to be able to assemble your cube, because my first time assembling a cube, it did not work, because I wasn't that good. Now you're wanting to find the side with yellow, blue, and orange, and put it right there. And now, the final piece, the side with yellow, green, and red, you're wanting to place in here. And then boom, you have assembled your first Rubik's Cube. So now, hope you enjoyed that tutorial. And if this one has, say, 5 likes on it, then we will do more Rubik's Cube tutorials. But if this gets 3 likes, we will do more Rubik's Cube stuff. So if you stayed to the end, thank you. Make sure to subscribe if you want to for more content from Khaki Locket. And at 1,000 subscribers, we'll be doing a face reveal. And bye, guys.